Reinstall a trimmed liner for MDX MIG guns with set screw power pin cap. Warning: read and follow all labels in the owner's manual. Turn off welding power source and disconnect gun. When the power pin cap is removed, the liner can retract into the power pin and appear too short to lock back into place. The following steps will ensure the liner can be reinstalled without trimming the liner. Rotate the back end of the gun until the liner begins to extend out from the power pin. Continue rotating in this direction until the liner protrudes approximately 1 inch. Hold the back end of the gun in this position and slide the power pin cap over the liner and thread onto the power pin. Tighten the cap until it bottoms on the power pin shoulder. Next, rotate the back end of the gun in the opposite direction as such, so the liner starts moving into the power pin. Be careful not to let the liner sink below flush with the end of the cap. A coil or two protruding from the cap is ideal. Once the liner protrusion is set, the set screw may be tightened to secure the liner in place. Holding the provided hex wrench as shown, tighten the set screw finger tight against the liner. At this point, the back end can be released without the liner moving. Next, hold the hex wrench by the handle and tighten the set screw an additional 1/2 turn to fully secure the liner. Caution: over-tightening the set screw can crush the liner. Insert a piece of appropriately sized welding wire into the liner to check for burrs or obstructions. For example, if running 035 wire, perform this check using 035 wire. The wire should fit into the liner and be able to move back and forth without resistance. If a burr is detected at the entrance to the liner, remove the cap and retrim the liner. If resistance is felt sliding the wire back and forth, loosen the set screw slightly until the wire slides freely. Plug the power pin back into the machine. Reconnect the control lead and feed wire through the MDX MIG gun.